I would like to echo what David said. The user experience with Getida is amazing. Like I was signed up and had my account saying probably less than 2 minutes, and it took off, and I was like, that was pretty slick. So getting into once I connected my accounts. And I had two, so both of them they were connected really quick, and I'd like to also mention it's all in one dashboard. You can manage multiple accounts in one dashboard and toggle between them. So whenever I connected everything and it took off, I came back I think later on at night or something, and I looked in there, and I seen it crunching, and then I clicked, enable case management, or, so at the time I didn't know what was happening. And the next day when I woke up, I already saw cases opened, and I thought, for me, I thought this was all automated, machine learning, like, and then, so can you explain like how that works, and the account managers are actually like opening case, troubleshooting, opening cases and following up. So basically like you have your own personal account manager.
Yeah, that's pretty much the idea, that you outsource this whole back and forth, grunt process to us. Essentially, what we do is we actually audit all of our accounts every single day. Okay, so which translates into billions of dollars worth of transactions, which are being audited daily, right? So we grab all the data, as we find the issues, we create, our case managers are able to open cases on your behalf, to serve, serve the issues in your account. And if Amazon is gonna reply with questions or some other things they don't understand, our case managers will actually read the claim and reply to that. That's one of our commitment. We don't just what we call spray and pray. We don't spray a claim and pray that it's going to get paid. We're actually auditors, so if we can clearly identify a deficit, a minus, and we're going to raise it to Amazon attentions, and if they pay it, that's fine. But if for whatever reason they reject the claim because they don't understand what's going on, maybe it's a new team member by Amazon, maybe they're just hurrying for lunch, so they're just deflecting the case. Our case managers are going to reopen the case, present information again, maybe in a different light or a different angle, and make sure to convert that rejected case into a paid case. So there is really an element of handling and processing the claims, and it's done by humans. And by the way, a big part of our team are ex-Amazon employees who used to work in those departments. So we got really lucky that we were able to, build a pretty robust teams. A lot of them were pretty much at some point of time were on the other side. So it gives us an ability to really deal and go deep on everything that's going on. So we know what we're looking for, how to present the issues, how to go with all the back and forth, stay compliant throughout the, every single step of the way. But what's amazing with all this is that we're all that human experience and handling, we're taking it all into the dashboard level. So when you log into your dashboard, you just get visibility of what's going on. So you see the cases that were open, what's the status of each case. Did it get paid? Did it not get paid? Is it still pending? So you get visibility on what the team is actually doing on your behalf. So that was kind of innovative, and we actually won an award. We won a gold award from the American Business Award for our dashboard technology. So we're able to bridge the technology and the service end. So the service end, whatever they're doing, the technology actually translates into a cohesive dashboard so you can actually track and monitor. Yeah, that's kind of the idea behind the experience there.